Good morning. I'd love to tell you that today was Monday, but it ain't. It's bloody Wednesday. So Monday we had booked off, so we wanted to know anyway, obviously, not what going on. And then Tuesday, absolutely peed it down. Thought, we'll have morning off. Got a text off at digger driver saying, digger's been delivered. Thought, you know what, I'm gonna go in. And then as soon as I'd made my cup of tea, whammo, still raining, and that were at like 1:30. You know, we're gonna go in for a few hours and just dig a bit out. But look at this. It's all flooded down here. It's flooded. It's got a puddle. It's not flooded at all. So this side is alright. It's just a bit of standing water up there. But when we get his Astro in, hardcore in and sand in and whatnot, it'll sort it out anyway. Been mainly surface runoff rather than actually holding it underneath, if you like. But yeah, today we are getting rid of this pile here and then digging that corner out, going round with a digger, digging all the bamboo out everywhere, and then down this side. This is today and tomorrow. I always say it like this: we're gonna do this and this and it. We never do. Today and tomorrow. 2 days with a digger. Let's make most of it. Tomorrow, which is Thursday, we're at Manchester again with lad. It's twice a week, and then he's got a game on Sunday. It's 240 miles a week. But I'm car sharing with one of the lads there. He's from Pudsey, from Leeds as well. So it's not too bad. Not too bad. So yeah, let's get his dig on. Let's get going. Right then, so this morning I've dug this down, moved it over there so it's easier. Try to pull out water that were here over this way. It's drying out nicely now, it's nearly gone. But yeah, if you pull it over here, and then the digger can just load the wheelbarrow there. We're actually getting a track barrow in tomorrow because it's just not going down. So we are doing this afternoon, barrowing this out this afternoon, and then I'm going to stay another hour and get this dug out, just get it piled up, and then get it piled up for tomorrow, because then literally I'll just be getting fired out. I'm sure they carry half a ton of trap barrows, maybe it's even a ton, don't know. So it'll go out 45 times faster. It'd be ridiculous how fast that goes out. So we're just waiting on grabs really. Hopefully they'll come first thing. Our grab wagon says put it down for 9 o'clock AM. The driver texts the info and the info goes, the driver goes, nah, I'll do this one first, and then this one. And then it comes to you at 2 o'clock. So they've promised you world. And it's a driver that changes the bloody mind all the time. So it is what it is, isn't it? Right, it's lunchtime. Good morning. England are through to the final. Beauty result. You know, I thought I'll go for a few. Went to the club, normally absolutely dead. So some lads went at 6:30 so they could go play snooker. They play for club team, so they had to get some training in before the match tonight. So I was like, oh, I'll go at 7:30. 7:30, chill out, get showered and stuff before, take my time. Got there, absolutely rammed. No seats left at all. No seats. I had to go into a big room to get some seats to bring them back into tap room, as they call it, don't they? But yeah, it was good do it, what? Good do. Had 6 pints, maybe, something like that. Had to get a taxi home. Anyway, so I'm fresh today. Don't know how, but Tom's not in. He ain't hungover and drunk or whatever. He's just not well at all. So I'm on my own, but luckily that track dumper's arrived. So I'm on both. But it is the loudest thing in the world. It's the loudest thing in the world. But that can carry 5 wheelbarrows. We were getting 1 scoop at digger, quite a good bucket, you know, ditching bucket. 1 scoop into the wheelbarrow, and in this track dumper you get 5. So come on, it's just worth it, innit? It's worth it, especially when you're on your own. Get around there, you can tip on top of pile as well. They can tip over, but you can like lift it up and then tip it, so it's not too bad. But yeah, I need to crack on with this because tonight we are in Manchester again with the little one. So I need to go at like 3 o'clock. I need to get there for 7, but I leave at 5 because sometimes it takes 1 hour and 10, sometimes it takes 2 bloody hours. So we'll just get a coffee on way in if we're too early to go chill out. So a bit of father son time, love it. Right, let's get this pile out of the way, let's get it round front. Good morning. So track wheelbarrow dumper, whatever you want to call it, is yesterday was just smoking like hell. God, I was like poisoning myself. It was just proper smoking. It was peeing oil everywhere, and apparently we're overfilled with diesel, and diesel was spilling onto engine or something. And then, but check this out. I couldn't use that. I had to walk outside of it, but there were no window out for it to blow the fumes away. So I didn't bother. I called him up, do us a favour, swap it over for me. So they went straight out to site, picked it up, and within an hour I got this one. But this one can carry a ton, as the other one was just half a ton. And you have to stand on back of it. Let me show you. So you stand on back of it, you feel about 7 foot tall when you're on back of there, going up and down over bumps. It's pretty fun actually, but then I've got to get through that gate down there. Just gets through it. So we used it for about an hour yesterday before I went off, but I've just got this little bit here to do. Got a bit of soil here to take out, but I'm going to leave it in, because then we can, once sleepers are in, we can shove it behind out sleepers, a bit of spare soil. But I'm ripping all this out today. Wild diggers here, getting everything out. I'm going to move that shed and get a path round and round side, get everything out, and then get us levels going and just give it, I think it's only this area here that needs scraping out. Everything seems to fall to the house, so we just need to start again really with his levels. Pick his level up from this corner here, just like the highest point. There's a drain in that corner there. There's a drain somewhere over that way anyway. There's a drain, so I'm gonna go from that point, drag it round, go from the point over here, measure it down again front window, and just see what it's saying. Measure down from damp course as well, you know what I mean. But yeah, it's feels massive now. Feels massive. Had a bloody nightmare taking that bamboo out yesterday. I was going to do a video of me how to take bamboo out, and it would just want right at all with digger. Just looks alright. Pikey, if you like, whatever. But yeah, it's Friday today, and I believe I'm working it morning. It's for a few hours on a little job. Might even squeeze another little job in and work a full day actually, because we had Monday and Tuesday off because of weather. But yeah, little one's got Leeds United trials today. First of 4 weeks. Exciting. So yeah, so catch you soon. Right then, we've dug out. As you've seen, we've lifted the flags up down this path. But because we're bringing it up an inch or so, so this is going to be like his new hardcore. So all we're doing is hardcoring up their weight track batteries, and then all that's Indian to about here. I'm going to bring us sleeper all the way around. Obviously we've moved this shed, it's going to sleeper all the way around. But I thought, like I said earlier, we're going to have to take some out of here, but that's actually 90mm below level, so it's worked out nice. But this looks massive now. It's been tracked, as you've seen, just so it doesn't turn into mush while it rains. Keep it compacted. But yeah, from about here it's Indian stone, and then you're stepping onto artificial grass here, which is really nice. But God, there's a lot of Indian to put down next week. A lot of it. Can you believe kids are breaking up next week for 6 weeks holidays? We haven't even booked his holiday yet. And we're off to, I think we're off to France in car, if I'm honest. France and Switzerland. But we can book that and then just go, so it's not too bad. But yeah, twins will be in high school. Only seen 2 minutes ago, since we were going through 135 nappies a week with them. I mean, absolutely broke as a joke. So yeah, God, Tom's driving my van. But yeah, we've had quite a good back end of the week, let's say. But I'm working tomorrow because we had Monday, Tuesday off. So I'll see you all in the morning. 2 little jobs. Tiny block paving, 2 metre square. Just repairing someone's drive. And then block paving, and then square. 1 metre square gravel and half ton of soil in another. Easy money. So doing it tomorrow morning. Saves us taking time off of each job, so bit of a bonus. Our lass is at home, so yeah, let's get it in. See you morning, have fun. So this morning, Saturday morning, 12 degrees, July, loving it, love being cool, better than cooking in sun, innit? So we are brindle block from there, just so it's even from that side to that side. Gravel in middle, new soil, bushes out, hose down. So easy. I love a small job. Give me small jobs. I love them. So we've put his mix on ready. But yeah, we had some brindle blocks spare in lockup, so it's really just a free job really, which is nice. Just need to jet wash this down. It's going to be the reality of resin. You get moss. Yeah, it's a bit quiet around here for us to start making a load of noise. And there we are, freshened it up, give it a jet wash down. Still got a bit of moss on it. They're going to get some moss killer for the resin and look if there's any more like cleaning products for it. They're happy doing it, but bushes out, soil in, gravel in, a little border in there. But yeah, saves them from stepping in mud, doesn't it, going into the garage. So it's very nice. Right, we are done. So we only ended up doing that one job today. We're supposed to go do the block pave repair. We've changed that to Monday because it just rained all morning. And obviously, as you know, with kiln sand, it has to be drier than dry. So we're going on Monday morning, weather dependent. So yeah, it's been quite a good end to week, let's say. Not start to a week, said 2 days off, but it is what it is. I've just got back in time for a cheese toasty, which is beauty. I love it. Saturday lunch, I always have a cheese toasty. So, but yeah, well, thank you for watching once again, and I will see you on Monday. Have a good weekend.